In this video, I will show you how to create dripping effect in Pixellab. Once you open Pixellab, this is what you are going to have. So click the test part of your Pixellab and then delete the default test. Now input your image, the normal image you want to edit, bring it in from the gallery. The image must be in PNG format. Now here is our image. Now let's bring in the dripping effect from gallery also. So you import. Here is the dripping effect. It must also be in PNG format. So you adjust and put it where you want it to be. Now that you have it together, we can't use red because the picture contains red. So let's change the color of our dripping effect. Let's use blue for it. And then you click on this part to merge it together. Click here, tick the boxes, and then you merge. Once you merge your layers together, you need to erase some part of this image that will give you issue after removing the dripping effect. So you clear that part off, the part that is not under the dripping effect. So we are good to go now. So you click on erase color, activate it. If it doesn't remove the dripping effect first, click on this dropper tool and then select the part which is blue and then tick the box. So you have it now. Increase the tolerance and then you adjust. This is how to create a dripping effect in Pixellab.